Hi everyone, this is Forever Tropical Girl and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you a closer look on two of the most visited places here in Biei. I shot the video last May during our Hokkaido road trip. It was still a bit cold and as you can see, the mountains are still covered in snow. So it takes approximately 3 hours drive from Sapporo to reach the town of Biei in Kamikawa Subprefecture, Hokkaido. The town has an estimated population of 10,374 and summer season around mid-July is the best time to visit because by this time, the panoramic view of the fields that surrounds the town will be full of greens and flowers. A lot of flowers like lavenders. Anyway, it's not yet season now, so there's not much to see in the fields. The mountain, on the other hand, offers a breathtaking view even on this season, and that's where we're going. The best place by far to view the Shirahige waterfalls is at the Blue River Bridge. From this point, you can see the mountains, the river, and the waterfalls, which by the way is coming out from underground. Yes, the waterfalls didn't come from downstream river, but instead from underground water which flows through the cracks in the rocks. The waterfalls got its name from what seems to look like a white beard. Yes, you heard that right, a white beard.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know a thing. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah the highs, yeah the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah.
Our next stop is Shirogane Blue Pond. The pond is man-made and it's not mainly for tourism. It was built after the eruption of Mount Tokachi in 1988 to protect the town from volcanic mudflows. And the color of the pond is naturally blue because of the natural minerals that dissolved in the water. Is it safe to swim in it? I have no idea actually. I wouldn't dare to because it's actually prohibited to go in the water. But it's just nice to look at the beautiful blue water. It's quite interesting actually. It's not a very common sight to see. The only problem is, sometimes the color of the water is brownish due to the soil erosion, and it can get a bit crowded during the weekends. I was a bit surprised how much people come here considering the place is quite far from everything. Anyway, the experience was good, since I was always curious of how it looked like in person. And that's another place ticked out of my bucket list. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching. Till next time, goodbye.